Right on grinds. This is what we're gonna be learning how to skate today. I wanna give credit where credit's due first and foremost. Blunt Steel, this is their brainchild. Those guys are the genius behind these super fun obstacles. I'm a DIY guy, so if I can build something myself, I will. If I can't, I will support the company. If I wasn't able to make these myself, I would have 3 Blunt Steel rails in my driveway instead. What I wanted to do today was just make a quick video on how I learned to skate rails. So I'm gonna shortcut all the falls and stuff that I had and give you guys just the good stuff if you wanna get into something like this. When skating a rail, there's 2 things that you wanna do. You either wanna do a heel lock, which I'm not very good at, or a cross lock, which I'm very good at and more comfortable. The heel lock looks like this when you're on your heels, and the cross lock looks like that when you have your heel side, back truck, front side, toe side, and you can see the board holds itself. Put your board where your wheels are on the ground. Both trucks are on the rail. Put your weight back like this to get used to that feeling of a heel lock. Just keep doing that. Put your weight on the back of your leg there, lift that up. For your cross lock, this was a game changer for me. You wanna move your hips open towards the way you're skating. So I'm regular, so I open my hips to the left, and that's what is gonna lock your truck into the rail. So just shifting the front a little bit. Now you're in a cross lock. Practice that until it's comfortable and you can balance on the rail like this. You can see everything is right there. Your hips are what's gonna turn your whole board, and that you're gonna feel it lock in. So just shift your hips like this, open. So when you're grinding this rail, you're gonna be facing that way. You're not gonna be staying parallel. So your practice step, you put your board on the rail with the trucks on the ground. You're nice and safe. You could stand on it like this. You're good. Just take your hips, shift them over, back to the front. You just shift them over till you hear that click right there, and then back. That's your cross lock position. That's an exercise that I like to use to teach, like I was trying to teach Jace cross locks. It kind of helps to get your body used to doing that kind of a maneuvers. The other thing you want to do after you learn your pinch points and after you practice that exercise, you can't just ride onto it. There is a little bit of a technique and a finesse that you have to do. So when I'm riding onto the grind, I'll kind of like unweight slightly. If you just barge it and smash into this, it's gonna just toss you. Imagine you're trying to like tiptoe and walk on something you don't want to break. You're not just gonna step hard. You kind of want to have finesse to it. If you have weight and you try to get on here, with your body weight, it's just gonna buck you off. You need to have that nice finesse. I'm used to getting into the cross lock, so I'm already thinking ahead of time that I need to unweight and kind of move my board this way. So I'm already thinking about twisting my hips. So I'm not just going into it straight and then twisting. You want your arms out, shoulders open, so you have a good balance. The beginner rail that's on and off, you don't have to like barge it. You can go nice and slow. So we're gonna just one light push, nice and easy. And that's enough to get you through the whole grind. Unweight. See? There we go. I'll take it. I wish I had something like this to watch before I tried learning this, because everybody that sees these is like, it's a ride on, it's easy. I'm gonna put in some clips of him getting destroyed and me. Well, I hope this video helps some of you guys out there who have these rails. Make sure to go hit up Blunt Steel, grab one of these bars. Dude, they are the funnest obstacle in the world. And the fact that I'm 40 and I learned how to grind at 39, seeing all the marks on your trucks, the wear down marks from the grinds, it's a really cool feeling. It's a cool thing to do, and I highly recommend it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for all new content like this, and we'll catch you guys next time.